Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Let's take a look again at Australian dollar. So right now this currency shows the very clear setup that compares to other currencies. It really looks better and just clear. So because it has relation to the high time frames, and you could just track the overall setups right from monthly chart down to intraday charts. So that's why it's more attractive than the picture that we see on other currencies where it's more degree of the uncertainty stands, especially on the safe haven currencies, Japanese yen and Swiss franc, that were under the strong volatility due to the former events on North Korea and other geopolitical tensions. So in our weekend, guys, we have talked about this setup on the Australian dollar, and we said that Australian dollar has, in a short-term perspective, has a limited upside potential, but still it should reach the targets approximately 81.60, 82 area. So some last leg up before meaningful retracement will start should happen. And from that standpoint, we're keep watching on this butterfly, and we said that probably market should show at least the 3-8 retracement, because this is the minimum target that could be achieved as a respect to the butterfly. Another reason is that market was actually at the overbought. That's why retracement should be a bit deeper. That's why we said that 80 even areas looks most probable, where the first attempt to go up could happen. And also, as we have got this shooting star on the daily chart, it's also approximately the length of the bars target, and that's why we said that's probably the market could reach 80 even. So that has happened. Right now, market is showing the upward bounce right from this area. So this could become the real upward continuation on Australian dollar to next target of this butterfly is 1618. That stands approximately 82.30, 82.25 area. So completion of this butterfly should let us and should let market to complete also the monthly major target. That's the major idea on Australian dollar. On the 4-hour time frame chart, trend is bullish here, guys. On the daily market right now is not overbought, so actually nothing is prevented from the possible upward continuation. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that market has hit also this confidence support. It's 80 even, 80.10. This is confidence support on the 4-hour time frame chart. For scalp traders, guys, for intraday charts, this could bring you the chance to trade the bread and butter sell pattern. So if you will increase the scale a bit, you'll see. So we have sufficient number of candles. And plotting here the moving average. Yes, it's crossing is only coming to happen. So, but if market will reach some fib level from this recent thrust, this could be some deeper retracement here. That should complete the potential bread and butter trade. So that's the one intraday setup that you could keep an eye on. So if you do not trade on daily, if you trade on intraday, this is the pattern that could be formed here. Also, guys, take a look at the market actually here is forming some kind of the morning star candlestick pattern. So this consists of 3 candles, and usually it has the same feature as the bullish engulfing, and usually it takes the shape some kind of the ABCD pattern on the lower time frame. At least ABCD, so it means that some retracement up should happen. We do not know currently whether this is a starting point of real upward action, or this will be just retracement of this swing, and market will form some kind of the ABCD down before the final upside reversal will happen. Currently, we do not know it, but what we do know is that by this pattern, this pattern suggests deeper retracement, guys. That's why when the potential bread and butter trade will reach the target, you probably will get some minor retracement here, and that could become the opportunity for taking the long with the possible upward continuation. So it's better could be seen on the hourly chart. So on the hourly chart, you can see market has formed minor butterfly. and small even for the hourly chart. Trend has turned bullish here, and market right now is coming to one of the levels. So if market will reach this level, this will become some kind of the bread bottom on the 4-hour time frame chart. Maybe it will be a bit stronger action, maybe even above these tops. So market could form the reverse swing. But anyway, you need to watch for deep retracement here, guys. For retracement to probably 618 support of the possible upward action, if you would like to take the long position. Because market is forming here some kind of the reversal swings. It's usually after reversal, retracement deeper because the previous bearish momentum is pressing on the market and makes them made deeper retracements. So that's two chances. First is the bread bottom on the 4-hour time frame chart is possible. Those who want to go short on the Australian dollar. Those who are searching for taking the long position, wait when the bread bottom will be complete, or at least after the first swing up, watch for a deeper retracement, 618. That could give you a chance to take in the long position, because market should form at least some kind of that action. So if even, as I said, this will not be a real reversal and market will not go straight up, this could be some kind of a deeper retracement, because the pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart, this evening star, usually takes the shape of the ABCD on the hourly time frames, because target of this pattern equals stands for length of the bars of this pattern, and usually, as I said, this usually takes the shape of the ABCD. This progress could let you to move your stop to the break-even and see what will happen. If market indeed will continue to move higher, well, very well, you will have position on the daily chart with the upward continuation to 82.20 area. If not, well, in this case, you will be able to close position at some ABCD target or just leave the trade without any loss. So that's the idea on the Australian dollar. So let's keep watching on the reaction on this support area, what patterns will be formed here, and let's see what will happen.